You didn't get it.
He popped it twice. He missed it both times?
Yeah, that motherfucker. It's a good one.
Oh, there. Let me get the net. It's fucking
That's a 5 pounder.
5 pounder. Look at that. Look at how big he is.
Look at pliers.
Look at how big he is, yeah.
Okay. Little 5 pounder. Maybe 6.